Cash in a digital world. Can you deposit cash with Monese? Ever find yourself with a wad of cash left over from an event or a generous relative? In today's increasingly digital world, it can feel strange holding onto physical bills. You might be thinking, there has to be a way to get this cash into my bank account without going to the traditional bank. Well, if you use Monese, a popular digital banking app, you might be wondering, can I skip the ATM and just deposit my cash directly into my Monese account? The answer? Not exactly, but there are some workarounds we can explore. Let's dive into how Monese handles cash deposits and what alternative solutions you might have. Why can't I deposit cash with Monese? Monese is what's called a neobank, which means it operates entirely online and doesn't have physical branches. So unlike a traditional bank with tellers and ATMs, Monese doesn't have the infrastructure to accept physical cash deposits. Think of it like this: Monese is built for a digital age. Their focus is on offering convenient and mobile-first banking solutions. Cash deposits just wouldn't fit their model. Alternatives for depositing cash. But fear not, cash lovers. There are still ways to get your bills into your Monese account. Here are a few options to consider. Cash deposit at a partner bank. Monese has partnered with some traditional banks that allow you to deposit cash over the counter, even if you don't have an account with that specific bank. However, this option depends entirely on your location. Here's what you'll need to do. Check the Monese app or website to see if they have partnered cash deposit locations near you. Visit the partner bank with your cash and your Monese debit card. Inform the bank teller that you want to make a cash deposit to your Monese account. There might be a fee associated with this service, so be sure to ask beforehand. Top up with cash at retail locations. Similar to the partnered bank option, Monese offers cash top-ups at certain retail locations. Again, this depends on your region. Here's the process. Find a participating retailer through the Monese app. Visit the store with your cash and inform the cashier that you want to top up your Monese account. Provide them with the required information, which might include your phone number or a specific code from the Monese app. Hand over your cash, and the equivalent amount will be deposited into your Monese account. Transfer from a friend or family member. If someone you trust has a traditional bank account, you could ask them to deposit your cash for you. Here's the plan. Transfer the desired amount from your Monese account to your friend or family member's bank account. Give them the cash you want to deposit. Once they receive your transfer, they can deposit the cash into their bank account and then transfer it back to your Monese account. Keep in mind, this option might involve fees depending on the transfer methods used. Make sure to communicate clearly with your friend or family member about any potential charges. Sell items online. If you have unwanted items lying around, consider selling them online through platforms like https://www.jumia.com.ng or https://www.olx.com. Once you make a sale and receive the payment, you can easily transfer the funds to your Monese account using a linked bank account or debit card. The takeaway: Monese and cash deposits. While Monese itself doesn't accept direct cash deposits, there are alternative solutions available. Explore partnered bank locations, retail cash top-ups, or utilize transfers from trusted individuals. Remember, each option might have its own fees and limitations, so be sure to do your research beforehand. Ultimately, the best method depends on your specific situation and location. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.